Begin by logging into your Spectrum Mobile account using either the mobile app or the website at spectrum.net/mobile. Once logged in, navigate to your account management section and select the specific line you wish to remove. Choose whether you want to keep the phone number by porting it to a new carrier or cancel it entirely. If keeping the number, select the port out option and provide your new carrier's details. Spectrum will generate a porting PIN for the transfer. Confirm the removal process. If canceling the number, this will release it back to the available pool. After confirmation, pay any prorated charges that may apply for the billing period. Expect to receive a confirmation email or SMS once the process is complete. Finally, update any devices or apps that were linked to the removed number, such as those using two-factor authentication. Note that port-out transfers typically take between 2 to 24 hours to complete, depending on the new carrier.